Check out this Black & Decker small portable washer. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is a fantastic portable washer. As you can see, we have it on a little dolly down there with some wheels underneath it so we can roll it around if need be. But this washer works so well. There's so much space within it. There is, plenty of room for a good size load to load in this washer. And as you can see, there are several buttons along here as well. We have procedure, delay, load size, temperature, program, and extra rinse. And then here is the start and pause button also. Now this is very simple to connect. We just have to plug this in to a faucet, and then we will load this with some clothes, throw in the laundry detergent as well, and then we'll have several different options that we can choose from along this side. So this just works really well. If we put the hose to the side, it's a very slow close. It doesn't actually shut loudly. It just closes very nicely. It's a clear top so you can see what's happening within the washer. And let's open it back up. And so it's just a really great setup for anyone who needs a washer. It's about 23 inches wide, 21 and 23 inches wide, and about 3 feet tall. And it just works perfectly for anyone who needs a washer and has only room for a small portable one to go in it. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.